Yeah.
Fortunately, it's not as bad as the last time we were in it. You can see...
At least you can see where you're going.
Yeah. You can see the next wave.
But we're not making it anywhere. So we've been out all day and we're having to turn back because we're too far from any anchorage. We're still 14 miles from Port San Juan and the weather has turned snotty. You can see the big seas and the fog and it's just not worth it. We won't make it. We won't make it before dark if we keep
Show them the head sail.
Here's the head sail.
6.8 knots.
We've got 6.8 knots, and that's our sail right there. And now we've got the following seas that aren't terrible going in this direction. But I had been downstairs napping and woke up as I was being tossed around because somebody, look at me, somebody didn't come and get me and let me know. I looked out the port window and all I saw was white.
We were going to make a decision, but I figured we knew it was.
Yeah, well, my decision is immediate and clear. Turn around and go back. We'll have to regroup. Whoop.